Good morning, children. Now, listen. This is 8th class social studies. This is 8th class social studies. We are discussing the 4th lesson of this social studies. What is the 4th lesson? The polar region. Where the polar region 90 degree below to 66.5 degree Arctic Circle. So that all area is called polar region. Even in southern hemisphere also the same part. So polar means very cold or tundra means very cold. That I said already. So in that adverse conditions, even this adverse condition, some people are living there. That people are called Eskimos. What they are called? Eskimos. I said about Eskimos, how they live, how they hunt the fishing, how they hunt the caribou, so how they built the igloos. Okay, next they are canoe. They are using some kinds of boats. Next they are using some kinds of shoes and jackets. Okay, next these Eskimos are living in this area. Next they are using some kinds of cart attached by dogs, 15 or 10 dogs. They are called sledges. What they are called? Sledges. Okay, now listen, what is the religion? Okay, religious beliefs in Eskimos. Eskimos are living a group of people. They are moving from one place to another place in that same polar region. Okay, so they also have some kinds of religious beliefs. For example, in our country. So in our country, some religions are there. What are the religions in our country? Hinduism, Christianity, Islam, Buddhism, etc. are there. So 80% are majority people following Hinduism in our country. Okay, in the world majority people following Christianity. Okay, so likewise the human being in India, how they are believing about God. So they are also performing some rituals in our country. So pujas, okay, etc. Likewise, even in polar region, the Eskimos also following some rituals or some beliefs. Okay, they also believe life, health, sickness, starvation and death. Okay, so when they are living, so they are thinking and they believe, yes, this life is, we are living upon this area because of for the sake of God or goddess maybe. Okay, so when they fell sick, they also trying to how to overcome the sick. At that time they might worship or they might offering some pujas to their gods. Okay, next one, starvation. Sometimes they did not hunt any animal or they did not catch any fish. At that time they spent with starvation. Starvation means what? Without food. They have to spend without any food some days. It is very difficult. Outside the atmosphere is very dangerous atmosphere. Inside there is no food. So that is why the Eskimos are storing the food material, especially fish and caribou, meat, fat, seal, oil, waste oil, etc. Why they store these all things? Because the food is not available frequently outside. So that is why they are storing. Okay, if they will facing any starvation, they might believe, yes, this is for the sake of so and so, etc. Next one, death. Even death also. Okay, So they are the beliefs. Next one, they believed some spirits are controlling them. Some spirits are controlling them. Even our country also, many people are believing so many gods. Okay, for example, Hindus they are believing some kinds of gods. Christians also believing one type of god. Islam, Muslims also believing some type of god or etc. So likewise, these people are believing yes, I am moving by God, whatever the God name is. So they believed. Likewise in our country. Likewise even in Eskimos also they believed some spirits are controlling us. Some spirits are providing this food. Some spirits are being ourselves as starvation. Okay, so that is the belief of them. Next one, their goddess. For example, I said in India, what are the gods? Shiva, Rama, Sri Krishna. Hindus are believing like that. Next one, Christians. They are believing Jesus, Jehovah, Holy Spirit, etc. Next, Muslims, Allah. Likewise, Eskimos also believing some types of gods. They are called Sila. What they are called? That goddess or gods are called Sila. One type of god. Next one, Sedna. Sedna is the important god to Eskimos. Who? Sedna. Sedna is one of the god in Eskimos. Okay, so they believed this goddess of life. Next one, health and food. So this god, they believed the Sedna god providing food to them. Okay. Next one, they believed Sedna god giving life, etc. Even food also, health also. Next one, they believed what they believed. They are following like our country Indians. Okay. Next one, taboos, bans. Next, eat and food. Okay. So they also performing some rituals, ceremonies. For example, in our country, if any man will die, after burying that fellow or bonding that fellow, after some days, even the remaining people in that same house, they will perform one ceremony about the memory of that dead person. Likewise, Eskimos also performing some ceremonies about dead persons or death of their congregation or their house members. Okay, so that is even our country. Otherwise, what the other countries in the world people following, that same methods following by Eskimos in religious activities. Next one, shamas. They are performing some rituals. They are called shamas. What they are called? Shamas. For example, Dasara festivals. Okay. Next one, some people are fasting. Muslims especially in Ramzan season. Okay. So likewise, shamas are one type of rituals. Next one, trances and dramas. They are performing dramas also. Dramas means acting at open stages. So they are. Next one, what are the recreations of these Eskimos people? After hunting, they will reach their shelters. That shelter is igloo. What is shelter? Igloo. So igloo made by a type of snow sheets. They are not stones, but they are one type of snow sheets. That is not ice also. Okay. So when they came back from their hunting at daytime, at evening time or night time, they also enjoying with some recreations. Are you understood? Even our country also, every people, not only children. For example, children after their schooling, they will take one cell phone from his father and do mobile gaming. You know already. Some people are playing with friends, etc. Our elders are watching TV programs. Next, some people are watching cricket too, or etc. programs. So that is, or some are going to cinema theaters to watch movies. So they are the recreation of the remaining world or remaining countries. But what are the recreations of these Eskimos? They are the recreations of Eskimos are wrestling, WWE champion, Bethesda, Big Show, Sean Polak, okay, Great Khali. So they are wrestling each other. So we are watching on TV. They are the famous wrestlers. Likewise, in the remaining world, remaining countries. But in Eskimos, the polar regions, they also entertaining. The one of the most entertainment is wrestling. They are so wrestling each other. Next one, racing. Next one, dancing. So we know dancing. We have classical dancing, Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi, etc. So they also performing and dancing in their leisure time. Next one, contacts with other countries. That means contact with the remaining world. Remaining world means they are living in a separate place that is called polar region. That polar region is very dangerous or adverse conditions atmosphere is there. But the remaining world is different. Temperate zone is there, tropical zone is there, equatorial region is there. Okay, in the world, so we are living in these areas, in this atmosphere. This atmosphere is suitable for us. Okay, so even though our people, for example, Greenland, USA, Canada, Russian people, they are entering to that polar region and they contact with Eskimos. Why they contact with Eskimos? Because these people need the whales, fish, caribou, etc. Next one, in polar region, recently the people who are going from USA, Greenland, Canada, Russia, they excavated oil. So they need oil. That is why they encourage these Eskimos people, they gave some refills, guns, etc. But when they contact with these remaining world people, these Eskimos are affected some diseases, dangerous diseases. Before attachment of these remaining people, they didn't have or they didn't face any problem, health problems. They didn't affect any diseases. But after attaching or contact with remaining old people, they affected some diseases. For example, tuberculosis, typhoid, fever, etc., smallpox. Okay, some diseases attacked with the contact of remaining old people who contact with them from USA, Canada, Russia, etc. Okay, next one, in 1850, Americans trade. So they started trade with Eskimos. What is the nature or what is the sources available in this polar region? They contact with Eskimos and they started trading. Okay, so that is why they attacked some diseases. Who these people attacked. Next one, boom and burst. This contact is called one name between Eskimos and remaining world, that is called boom and burst. Next one, among their trade, fur trade is important. It started in 1925 to 1950s. Next one I said already, oil excavation. The oil excavated from 1970s. So oil is very valuable resource. To run the industries, to run the motor vehicles, oil is important. This oil is available in polar region. That is why they contact with Eskimos and they are extracting oil from polar region. So they are taking benefit, but Eskimos are facing loss due to this contact of the remaining world people. So that is the lifestyle of Eskimos in polar region. Next, students, I want to show you some pictures in this lesson. You come to the page number 47. Once you look at how they are hunting, whales hunting in Chukota during 2000 years. Whale hunting. A number of whales has been hunted by the people. That means they are going to extinct. They are going to extinct. Next, people listen. Once look at, you come back to the page number 46. Inupiat people from Alaska. Once look at one family is there. They sat. Might be they are eating or they are discussing. Their child also there between them. Once look at their shoes, their jackets, okay, their dress, etc. Now listen, boys. Caribou. Look at this one, caribou, page number 44. Very, very important animal hunting by Eskimos. This meat, this skin is very useful to Eskimos. Okay, thank you, children.